Thin leather and bad rivets.
Okay. Really? It rang decently. I finally got a back rapish.
Yay! We just gotta get you some stretches.
Are your fingertips exposed? No? Okay.
Oh yeah.
That's really sheet.
It does look like it, don't it?
He's got some leather sticking out the tip.
That was probably good.
Not as good.
I didn't feel it real well, but it sounded good on that elbow. I was on the fence with it.
I saw that earlier last night. It looks like turned a little bit. There you can see.
Yeah.
I think that one got it.
Bring your back up.
Take a breather. Yep.